Alright, I got this Blackstone grill. I gotta say, I like it. I love this fucking grill. It's got a little shelf there. Under here you keep your propane. This drawer, it's got a bunch of crap in it I never use. It's got this drawer. It gets rained on sometimes. That's why those drawers look that way. I never really use them. But I do use these shelves. The bad thing about the shelves is that I throw a lot of parties out here on the back porch. A lot of cookouts. Everybody uses them as a damn table. They put their beers and their everything they got, their trash. But this thing's been great. Cost me about $4.77. I use it all the damn time. I cook most of our food on this here lately. You could cook 2 whole packs of bacon at one time. 2 pounds. That's a lot of bacon. But we got a big crew. Starts out with a little coating on there. That starts coming off like anything. But mainly I clean it with just put some water on it. I scrape everything with this. And then I wipe it down with a wet rag or a dry rag. Show you how easy this thing is to use. How good it is for cooking like large amounts of stuff at one time. And it does have like, you got 4 hot spots. So if you look up under it, it's got 4 burners. It's got one here, one here, one here, and one here. But it's pretty fucking awesome. I love this thing. I'm going to do a video on my other grill. I'll show you that. You can already smell breakfast cooking. We cook a lot of breakfast around here. You can cook a whole mess of pancakes all at one time. I'm only going to start out with 4. I use no butter or nothing. Sometimes I put a little oil on it. I got all those tools, but I use these 2 things 90% of the time. Sometimes I'll get some tongs out if I'm making like hot dogs or something. But it's a good grill. If you're thinking about going Blackstone, go ahead and do it. It's badass. I've done got my money's worth, and I ain't had it a year yet. And buy the big model. I know I don't really use those drawers that much. Those shelves, they're definitely needed. And it's probably even cheaper now. You want to know a trick is buy one in the middle of winter. It'll be fucking lot cheaper. And I figured I'd let you guys see what I cook on a lot. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos here soon on this. Different recipes and different things to cook. Pretty badass. Oh, I fucked up, didn't I? That's alright, that one's a crepe. Look at that guy. Boom. Let's fix this one. There we go. Like new. Got a grease trap on the back. You just run all your grease down like you're cooking in a professional restaurant right at home. Pretty sweet. That's my review for Blackstone Griddle. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos.